the right thing to do. And how can I ever change things that I feel? If I could,